So somewhere very different today, actually for the next week. And excuse my state of my hair, but it's very, very hot. When it gets this hot, you just sort of stop caring what you look like. But come down to a very remote house in the forest just to get back to nature. And we sort of nicknamed it the Nomad House because it's literally just one room. And it's very, very simple living. There's no electricity, there's no running water. In fact, at the moment, I'm heading down to a little well, a little stream to collect some fresh drinking water. So, a bit out of breath. But this is a beautiful location. And like I said, there's no electricity, there's no running water. So there's no TV, there's no Wi-Fi or internet or mobile signal, so I'm literally recording these snippets of video footage while my camera battery is still active because I have no way of charging my phone after a while. So, and it's really lovely just to switch off, be in nature, and get away from the phone, get away from the internet, away from Instagram and YouTube. And just spend some time crocheting. So it's like a little sort of homestead almost. There's a little herb garden. The main house just consists of a simple bed and a little cooking stove, a desk made out of an old workbench, and it's owned by a guy, a very religious man, local man, and he's kindly lent us this property. Because he's currently staying with his mum, who's not very well, free of charge. So in exchange for that, my friend is actually building a new toilet, because obviously there's no bathroom here, so the toilet is outside and the current arrangement is quite old, so building a new toilet. And I'm just going to negotiate some spider webs here walking through the forest. So building a new toilet, and I'm actually crocheting a little toilet roll holder as my little contribution, which I thought would be nice. But it's lovely just to be in nature, be in the quiet. There's a little bit of road noise in the background, and just do some time crocheting. It's just really lovely. So yeah, so we're here for about a week, and I'll try and film little bits and bobs just to make into a YouTube video here before my camera battery dies. So. But hopefully in the future I'd like to actually have my own little sort of nomad house in the countryside and just have a place to go where you can escape and just be by yourself. So, but we're here at the little stream, so I'm going to fill these bottles up and hopefully get some nice cold, fresh drinking water. So this is where the fresh stream, and I actually collect the water from here. And it's fine to drink because it's running water, it's fine to drink. Ed Stafford would say, the adventurer Ed Stafford would say, as long as it's running water, it's good to drink. But there's a lot of fresh wells and drinking fountains in Hungary, which I had no idea about. So I just move this over and I'm going to fill up my drinking bottle. This might take some time. It's been very dry, so the water is running quite low. But this is really, really, really cold water. It's so refreshing. It's so good. Okay, so let's get away from the mosquitoes. That's the, you see it just coming out of the ground, fresh water. But they got this beautiful little shrine here, which is so pretty. It is such a peaceful place, just in the woods. It's lovely. I can't tell you how good that is and how cold it is. Sweet nectar. The only problem is, by being by water in hot weather or collecting this for quite a while, is the mosquitoes. you're interested in me sharing the crochet pattern for the toilet roll holder, a little spontaneous crochet pattern, might not be for everyone, but let me know in the comments below and maybe I'll share the pattern on my website. Until then, I'll see you soon guys for another little Hungarian update. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in my new life in Hungary and all the crazy things I'm getting up to. So I'll do a better update soon when I've got more electricity to work with. But see you soon guys.